am Wayesu Victor, and I'll be your news collaborator today. And today I'll get right into it, so you can subscribe because news from Africa, all the way from Africa, will be coming here on this channel. They will be falling every single time. So the first time we got in Uganda, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Oh my bad, this is His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. He has now sworn in for his sixth term. He sworn in on May 13, 2021. As you know, this is his sixth term. He's enjoying well, if you see his eyes right now, he's not like he was sleeping or something. I don't know. He was meditating. So yes, he has sworn in. This is his 35th year as president. While Bobby Wine is there saying that he will never rule, he will never rule, he will not sign, but he did. The second one, we are from Kenya. Huh. The 5 high court judges have blocked the government back to plan to make fundamental changes to the country's constitution. Can you imagine? The country is trying to survive on its own, and the judges who they say they went to school, they are trying to stop the country from moving forward. What is wrong with Africans? Hey, it's always us. If the country want to change the constitution, the government, the judges will say no. Like, who are you to say no? Let ask the people. And I'll stop there. As you know the rest. The next country, we have Tanzania. Fishermen in Tanzania are told to keep off the water because of the cyclone Jobo. I don't know what that is, but as you can see the picture somewhere on the screen, yes, the cyclone Jobo is real. If you want to enjoy, the only thing I'll tell you, go in the water and you shall have a good natural swing. It'll be fun. Yeah. So the cyclone is like a wave of water. It'll come, swing. You understand? Now the last country, of course, we'll never miss Nigeria. Today we are talking about Nigeria. Buhari's son-in-law is wanted in Nigeria. The president's son-in-law is doing fraud. Imagine you are the president and your son-in-law is doing fraud. Wow. Now the success say everything we say is Buhari. Now I know we're talking about. Yes, his son is doing fraud, and now he's wanted like a criminal. I don't know why, but it's always the Africans. Like, if the father to your wife is a president, why are you doing fraud? Can't you go and ask for money? Like, seriously, man, what is wrong? Now he's wanted. I wonder what the father-in-law is talking about. Maybe it's the one who put the law to search for him. Maybe he impregnated his daughter and ran away. Who knows? It's always Africa. Anyway, today that will be all news for today. And but before we go, I have what they call a fun fact. So the fun fact is, when you wear a mask, you don't look ugly. You look cute. Let me show you real quick. You look cute. This is what I'm talking about, people. Okay. How do I look? How do I look? I look fantastic, fantabulous. Now let me tell you, let me take off the mask. How do I look? A monster. So I'm telling you, wearing the mask, it will help you, save your life. They will not judge you because they don't know what you look like on the face. It's just wear a mask. You shall look cute. You shall get as many people that will like you. Yeah, but if you take off your mask, my friend, you look like a vampire. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this news for today. More news will come. I shall get to you guys soon again. Thank you for watching. Peace.